Hello! Welcome to Todd Plays a Video Game. You play? And today I'm playing Space Engineers. I've had some people see me playing it on Steam and ask what it is, and I always tell them, well, it's kind of like Minecraft in outer space. And so hopefully, now I can just show them this video, and that will explain it better. So we're going to play survival mode. We're going to play offline, and environmental hostility, we're going to set it to normal. If you set it to safe, you don't ever get asteroids. This environmental hostility is all about asteroids spawning. Not asteroids that you mine, you'll definitely want those, but asteroid showers that will come in and blow stuff up. I like to set it to normal just so there is some danger. Okay, so here is the ship, the respawn ship that we have respawned in, even though this is really our first spawn. Let's see, how do we... There we go, turned off the jetpack. And there, you can kind of see me from this angle there. So that's me, a space engineer in a space engineer's suit. And just moving the camera around, kind of cramped in here, but so we'll go to first person. So the first thing we can do is go over here. This is the med bay. This is the medical room. This is what you respawn in when you die. If you don't have one of these, that's why you might need a respawn ship, because if all of these are non-functional or destroyed or whatever, then you can't respawn unless you get a respawn ship. So let's change my suit. Oh, that's weird. Usually I can see. Maybe I need to go. There we go. So, yeah, so we can just change the color of my suit here, which isn't really a big deal in single player. It might be more important if you were playing multiplayer. But I enjoy having my own. You know, I think I'm going to go for a green suit. I usually go blue. This time I'm going to go green. Okay. So, yes, so this is the medical bay. It literally saves your life when you die, and it lets you put on a different colored outfit. So obviously the most important device in the entire game. We'll get to some of the rest of that in a little bit, but first we need to find an asteroid. Here's the doorway. And so, oops. There we go. So we can see this is the doorway heading outside, and if I turn on my jetpack so I can float, there is my ship from the exterior view. I love that you can actually see through the windows. And that's the cockpit. That's where I just was. And we can see that my ship is adrift amongst a empty space filled with lots of asteroids. So I think we should make haste to one of these asteroids and start doing some engineering. Turn off the jetpack. Get in the pilot seat. Makes sense to me to go to the biggest asteroid first, although some of these others might be closer. And this is a very functional ship. This is a very functional ship. It kind of looks like a rubber ducky. Maybe that's just because of the color. A rubber ducky in the bathtub of outer space. Alright. So we're passing over the tops of some asteroids, but I'm going to park the ship over by this great big asteroid. I wonder how close I am to it. Better start slowing down. Oh, phooey! Wow, phooey! Oh, phooey! Ha 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 ha! Wow! Stop rotating? Stop rotating? Stop rotating. I may have just destroyed. Oh my gosh, I did a lot of damage to the rubber ducky. Oh, gyroscopes are broken. Okay. Uh-oh. Turn on jetpacks. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. I've broken the rubber ducky. Oh! You know what? No, let's start in a new respawn ship, guys, because you will lose ownership and spawn as a new player. That's okay. I don't own anything except one ship that I managed to already break. And let's go ahead and change my suit color. Okay, well, green must have been bad luck. I usually play with a blue suit. Let's go kind of a turquoise, kind of between green and blue. Okay, because obviously it was the color of my suit that led to my death. I'm gonna approach a little more cautiously this time, a little bit slower. Wow, I wonder if that means I can scrap my old ship for parts. See, that's the kind of cheatery thing that I thought it would delete this rescue ship. I thought it would delete the existing rescue ship when I got a new one. On the other hand, if I have the opportunity to get some extra supplies, well, who am I to say no? Alright, oops. Jetpack on. I am exiting the vehicle. Having located the wreckage of the original rubber ducky, the rubber ducky 1, I have left my vessel and I am attempting to survey the original ship. It has valuable uranium in its nuclear power plant, as well as other resources. I can make my way to the driver's seat. I can control all the systems from there. I can't arrest its rotation. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is, we're not really moving, except for the rotation. Okay. Oh, you know what? I can turn everything off simply by hitting the Y button. There we go. Well, it won't continue to waste resources anymore. You know, maybe I can use the rubber ducky 2 to slow down the rotation of the ducky 1. Although I could end up damaging not only the broken ducky 1, but I might break my ducky 2. Oh, I already have hit it. I did slow down the rotation, but now I've pushed it. Now it's adrift. Now it's moving. Okay. Let's see if we can just nudge it slowly to stop. Okay. It's not rotating very much, but I think it's still kind of moving in a this-wordly direction. Let's try to get up over let's try to get in the way. It's hard to see where I am okay. Hold on. Abort. Okay. Whoops, jetpack on. It's not rotating as much. Let's try to get some resources out of it before it floats away. Grinding down the engine, breaking it apart. There. Uh-oh. It's in more pieces than I can actually hold on to in my inventory. Some valuable stuff is floating away. Oh my goodness. My spaceship is really far away from me now. Whee! trying to... Oops. Kind of overshot the Ducky 2. But there's the Ducky 1. I may just have to abandon the Ducky 1. It's kind of cheating to gather resources from it anyway, I guess. Although, since it was super hard to get any resources from it, I feel like it wasn't necessarily cheating. It was still quite challenging. What did I get as far as... I ground off a large steel tube, 4 of them I guess, and some thruster components. And okay, well these are all important resources for anything I want to build in the future. But let's abandon the Ducky 1. It is flying away. It is slowly flying away. And it's really difficult to get anything out of it anyway. Instead, let's show you guys more of what the game is all about. So... start mining some iron. Now, I am actually gathering a lot of iron as I go, even though it looks like tons of it is just floating away. If you look in the lower left corner where it shows volume, that's not an audio thing. That's the amount of volume in your inventory that you filled up. Basically how much stuff you've got. So even though stuff is flying away, stuff is also going into my inventory. You can see that number keeps getting bigger. Okay, so now let's stop digging for a moment and start picking up, because I don't want stuff to fly away either. Come back here! So yeah, the T key grabs stuff and puts it in your inventory. And we can see, you can really see what I've done here, that I have obviously dug a hole into this asteroid. Let's see, I think I can hold about, yeah, 12,000 L's. And I'm at 7,000 now, so there's lots of room for more. So let's go ahead and dig in some more. Iron is the main thing you need initially. Iron is what you're going to build, not just metal out of. And jetpack off. You just save fuel. You save energy on your jetpack if you turn it off when you're inside a gravity area, a gravity field. So, cargo container. This cargo container, I mean, it's just a Minecraft treasure chest, really. However, in addition to a cargo container, we also have a refinery. Refinery is like a Minecraft forge. So I have raw iron ore in any system that makes sense. We would put the raw iron ore in the refinery, and the refinery cooks it, smelts it, refines it into iron ingots. Blah blah blah. And then the assembler is just a crafting table. See, it's just Minecraft in outer space. The assembler is a crafting table. Oh, every time it auto-saves, it pauses for just a second. It's mildly annoying. Okay, so now that we've got some iron plates, let's start building a station. Let's build a little base. And we're gonna do that. We're gonna go here, new station. Bam! Now this brick can be a new station, and we can put the station. We're gonna put it really close to this asteroid, but when we could put it inside, or just like building off of the asteroid, so it's kind of touching the asteroid a little bit. Like that, we could actually have it like coming out of the asteroid, which is kind of cool. Let's do that. Okay. So there, now we've created a little cargo block, and we're gonna weld, and it's gonna use 25 steel plates. And there, bam, my space station. One block. So, not a lot to it just yet, but let's add on to it. When the Ducky 1 collided with this asteroid, the hull got not just broken apart, but warped and deformed as a result of the collision. You know, ideally, you're going to spend more time in this game constructing than destructing, but it is very cool that even the spaceships, you know, physically, there's a physical visual representation of the way that a collision has affected them in the, you know, in the virtual world, in the game world. I think that's very cool. There's something about being able to affect the world around you that is very satisfying in any sort of creative building, constructing, mining game. One of the things I loved, inventory is full. I guess it's time to go back to the Ducky 2. Where did I park my ship? Where did I park my spaceship? Oh, the business ship is getting really close to me. There's the Ducky. The Ducky 2. One of the things I loved about Warcraft, Warcraft 2, I guess, although 1 might have done it too. I didn't play 1 very much. Warcraft 2, back when Warcraft was a real-time strategy game, before it was an MMO, you would forest the trees. You would chop down the trees for lumber, and they would actually disappear from the map. You literally cut down the trees, and eventually you would cut down all the trees on the map and run out of forest. Okay, so here's something really cool. This is the outside of the ship. Oh, wow. Looks like we've already been beat up a little bit on the top. That's weird. Oh, maybe that happened when I was trying to slow down the Ducky 1. Got some dents in the hull there. So this is all that same stuff I was looking at, only this is from the outside. So you can see this is the refinery. The conveyor is neat. The conveyor powers all of these little tubes, very much like the Buildcraft tubes that I use with the Minecraft mod. But the conveyor and these little tubes hook all of these other devices together, which is very important. Oh, ye gads, my suit, my spacesuit is running low on energy, which if it runs out of energy, my life support will fail and I'll die. Oops, there we go. I can reload my suit with fuel by getting in the cockpit, though, and that will. Let's dig close to my spaceship in the hopes that I can find the same mining site twice in a row. That's an important resource, but it's not iron. I really need iron to get started. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the refinery. Come here. We're gonna cook that, and then we're gonna go with the assembler. We're gonna take our 225 blocks and stick them in my inventory and my backpack. Let's go over here and build this out a bit. So let's see, we want to make. Oh, it doesn't want to build these so close. Okay, let's go out here. There's no, of course, in outer space, there's no up or down or anything like that, so it's kind of hard to decide where you want to. I mean, you can make your reference point any way you want, anywhere you want, any direction you want. As Ender. And Mr. Ender knows. Let's do that. Take out the welding torch. And start welding these blocks up. All right. And let's go ahead and give this a little bit of color. My spacesuit, let's not do green, since green is apparently cursed. My suit is somewhere in between green and blue. So let's go ahead and make that kind of the official color of the space station. Bam! Okay. There we go. So now... There it is. There's the duck. And there's my mark. I have put an X on the space station. X marks the spot. This shall be my spaceship. Now, or my space base. Now... Oh! Whoop, 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 whoop. This parallel parking in outer space. Whoops, 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 whoops. Okay. Okay. Stay here. Got a minor. It just kind of brushed up against the asteroid here. Okay, just oh, I hit this hard enough that it scratched the paint job. Okay, but oh, and like a ding dong, I was oh phooey. I was trying to put the front door right into the hole of my mining tunnel. The door is on the other side, so... Okay. Now we're just gonna rotate. Rotate. Ah! This is the opposite of wisdom. I think I need to go down a little and back up a little. Okay. There we go. How is that for precision parking? Now I just float out and grab these rocks. Let's go to first person. Just a little easier. Bam, bam, bam. Inventory is full. Here we go. Ah! Ah! I keep hitting the wrong buttons. Let's go ahead and put this in the refinery. And let's get this building a lot more of these. There we go. Whoa, that's the mining tool, not the welding tool. Oops, whoops, whoops. That's no good. I broke my own stuff. Wow. I'm the worst engineer ever. Don't use the mining drill when you need the welder. Oh, oh, that's gonna show up on my... That's gonna show up on my performance... My employee performance review. Performance eval. Well, you're fairly good at your job. You're pretty good at precision parking those spaceships. You did crash that one into an asteroid, though. Also, sometimes you drill things when you're supposed to be welding them. We're not super happy about that. Sorry, boss. I wonder how much fuel I have left in the old spaceship. That might be the kind of thing that I want to check on. At some point I might need to look for uranium or something. Oops, I'm all out of steel plates. Okay. Okay, that'll work. Let's check how much fuel do we have. Fuel time. I've got 3 hours worth of fuel as long as the ship just sits here and doesn't go anywhere. I need nickel, I need cobalt, I need silicon, there's iron. So, there's a little scanner inside your spacesuit, or inside the mining drill maybe, that scans for minerals nearby, near you. What is this black stuff? Oh, that's more uranium. Oh, good, good. But I got a lot of uranium, and if I already have 3 hours worth, let's keep looking for what I'm looking for. Ooh! That looks like gold from here. What does my scanner say? Oh, silicon and gold. Great. 2 of the things that I need right here. Let's get it. Give me your precious gold. We'll build Fort Knox in outer space. It'll be the most... grab it! There we go. I love how there's just this little hole sticking out of this whole field of gold. So if I float around here, it is kind of funny how the asteroid gets rendered as I get closer. Yeah, X marks the spot. There's my base, and there's the duck. I think that's gold and iron, but what is this brownish color? This is nickel! Alright. Found some nickel. Okay, that's probably enough nickel. And now I know what it looks like. Iron. What is this? Just stone? Magnesium. Heck. Grab some. Here, I might need something. The importance of slowing down before you actually... Whoa, 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 okay. It's a lesson I obviously still haven't learned. Even as I talk about how important it is, I don't do it. Oh, no! Oh no! What has happened? We've been hit by a tiny asteroid shower. Is what has happened. Oh, this is bad. Once again, it's destroyed. Oh no! Oh, gravity is the other way, Todd. Okay, let's get in here. All right. Yeah, we've been hit by an asteroid, and it has done some serious damage. Oh no, including to the refinery. The refinery has been destroyed. I mean, I can repair the hull damage. It's the missing refinery that I cannot live without. Maybe it impacted this crater here too. Wow. Or made that crater. Oh. I wonder how the station did. Looks like the platform is okay. Okay, we finished everything that I set out for there. Let's head back to the Duck 2. Ducky 2. recharge my suit anyway, but you know what? I think it's time to move this bad boy. Ah! Part of the ship's not coming, well, it's not really attached anymore. Okay. At least all the engines are still working, and the gyroscope is still working on this time. Whoa, 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 wait, what? What happened? Oh, no. Oh, I think I was a bad pilot. I think it's a good thing that... Oh, hey, the gravity field is working outside the ship. Yeah, look at that. I got a little too close to the asteroid. Oh, phooey. Maybe that performance review is not going to have a positive comment about my ability to drive and park the ship successfully. The cockpit is not damaged. Let's see. I can fix this. I can fix this. It looks like the cockpit isn't damaged so much as it's just not attached to the rest of the ship anymore. Yeah, I think I may have broken a kind of important piece. Thank goodness the medical room is still here. Although I guess if I'm going to go for another respawn ship to get another refinery, that doesn't matter so much. Oh boy. That's why it is super important that I have a refinery. I really can't do anything without a refinery, and I can't build one from scratch. I can't build a refinery from nothing. Let's do this. Oops! Oops! Welder! Ha 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 ha! Oops, I'm out of steel plates. Oh well. And, in theory, what if I wanted to put a small cargo container right there? Oh, think as we save the world. We did okay until we got to the part where we needed the motor. Your system has a motor in it. Give me your precious motor. It's a lot easier to get through the door now. The door is a lot bigger. Now I've designed this in the hopes that all of these armor plates will protect the oops. I'm hoping that all of these armor plates will help protect the cargo container there from asteroids. That's the plan, man. Have to do this. I wonder what it takes to build. Oops. Oh, life support is low. I better sit down and recharge it. It doesn't work. I can't recharge my suit from the station because the station isn't connected anymore. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Uh-oh. Okay. Let's get all this stuff. What am I doing? I'm going the wrong way. Put it in here. Okay. I need to... I know that. I need to build a cockpit that is somehow connected. I need interior plate to... I need to build a cockpit that is still connected to part of the ship that has access to the reactor. Oh boy. Down to 10%. Using the tools uses energy. I've destroyed the reactor for parts. Who cares what way it faces, Todd? Just build it. Save your life. Oh, was that an asteroid? Was that a... Oh, build it faster! 5% energy left in my suit. 4% energy left in my suit. 3, 2... What do you mean I need more displays? I took all the parts out of the old cockpit. 1% energy left. How can I not have enough displays? I can't. It won't let me use it. It's not built enough. 0.3 energy in my life support. I took apart the old one. How can I not have enough displays? Oh, I think that blinking red light is not a good sign. Oh no. There's nothing to do. I can't make displays. I don't have a refinery to refine anything to get materials with which to make displays from. There's nothing I can do. What else would have a display? Maybe something else has a display. I can't use my jetpack anymore, which means I couldn't fly back up there anyway. Well, I wanted to get a new respawn ship anyway, so we may as well do this. Okay, so I've got that shiny new respawn ship with a shiny new refinery that I've always wanted. So when I turn off inertial dampeners, it will just drift. The momentum will carry me in whatever direction I'm going. When you turn on inertial dampeners, then it fires the appropriate engines to decelerate you and slow you down, unless you're actively telling it to go in one direction or another. That's a useful thing to know to help you avoid crashing into things. Though, to be fair, the Ducky 2 was ruined by an asteroid shower. The fact that I later crashed it into to this asteroid I'm mining didn't... that's not what destroyed the refinery and rendered it inoperable. The first Ducky one was totally my fault. I totally crashed that on my own. Let's hide the Ducky 2 in here. Oh! Am I already damaging it? Whoa! That's the type of asteroid that is hitting and damaging my ships. I think space madness is starting to set in. I think space madness is related primarily to, oh, I got some medical components, to boredom and being confined in an enclosed space. And this astronaut has not been bored, nor has he been confined inside an enclosed space. He's in much more danger of drifting off into an infinite void than, than of being confined to a tiny space. Oh, no, 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 I hit it, and now I'm pushing it away. My inventory's full again. There it is. There's a couple parts, yeah. Inventory's full. Oh, all I did was plug in to recharge my suit. I didn't drop anything off. Ah, nuts. This shouldn't be very heavy. Grab some of the hull plates here. Always more of those. Alright. There we are. Uh-oh. Oh, we have sustained an asteroid impact. Fortunately, it was in a non-critical, non-functional part of the ship. Oh. I've got plenty of steel plates to fix it. It doesn't look like it did much damage to the asteroid underneath, though. Underneath the base plating, though. Weirdest design space station. Okay, that is a Gatling turret. And I'm gonna need construction components and small steel tubes. Let's see. I have construction components. And small steel tubes and large steel tubes. Well, that gets me a lot of the way there. Now I need a motor. The Gatling turret can't do anything without bullets. Oh, also power. It's not hooked up to power. Oh, man. Which just means all the more reason I have to get this ship docked with that one. Okay, so that means I need a merge block. Okay, we're gonna do this. So if I connect the Ducky 3 to the space station, then the power reactor on the Ducky 3 will power the whole space station, which will in turn power the Gatling gun. Okay. Oh, oops! I went outside the gravity field. Okay. There. Now this is completely functional. Let's go ahead and let's see, what kind of yellow is that? Is that this kind of yellow? Nope. Is it this kind of yellow? That must be. Okay, well, let's go ahead and paint the parts of the ship an appropriate rubber ducky shade of yellow. Okay. Well, there. We've now actually built some things. Instead of just destroying things, I've actually constructed something. And we'll get to recharge the suit completely now. Alright, this is a very delicate maneuver. Careful. 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 Only, well, a couple hours of fuel if I don't move. That goes down significantly if I start moving, though. Okay, let's bring it up. Up, 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 up. That looks good. Need to back it up a little. Way easier than docking in Kerbal Space Program. What's going on? Is that an asteroid? Okay. Let's bring it in. Bring it in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Up, up, up a little. Bring it in. There we go. We are connected. The Ducky 3 successfully docked with space station. I need to name the space station. It's not much of a station at the moment. It's just kind of this thing. But there you can see my Gatling gun is rotating around because it's getting electricity from the ship, from the Ducky 3. Unfortunately, until it has bullets, that won't accomplish a whole lot. Kind of don't want to get this close to a gun that is on auto fire. Okay. You're packing heat. That's only 32 doodads, so I can carry a lot more. Alright, my Gatling gun actually has bullets in it, which means it's ready to actually shoot at asteroids. It's ready to actually fire. Oh, maybe this is the same asteroid impact that damaged the station earlier. Oh, I hear the gun. There's asteroids. There's asteroids, and the gun is indeed shooting them down. Good job. Aha! It intercepted some asteroids before they could damage the base. Fantastic. Good work. How much ammunition did you use? Half of it. I put 2 of these in and you've got 1 left. And we've got enough magnesium, we should be able to make quite a lot more too. Okay, there. Oh, well, I guess we'd made 2. So there, now there's 3 boxes of bullets in the Gatling turret. And more on the production line. And the ship is docked, so I don't think it'll disappear. And, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's going to be the end of this first session of me playing Space Engineers. I hope that gave you some idea of what the game is all about. It's building, it's salvaging, it's flying spaceships, building spaceships, it's finding resources, and sometimes shooting down asteroids. There's so much more. I just barely scratched the surface, and it's a lot of fun. Anyway, I'll probably play this some more on camera, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it as much as I am, because it really is a great game. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you and good night.